Hello everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes ML class W164 and how to change the headlight bulb. So once you're underneath your hood, you're going to start off by removing this plastic cover. It's just going to counterclockwise turn and come right out. So once this cover is off, you're going to see this socket with wiring and the headlight bulb is inside. And what we're going to do is twist it and pull out. So here's our old bulb and the assembly, and to remove it, we're going to basically create a gap in between. As you guys are seeing right here, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you should be able to pull it right out. And then I'm going to grab my new bulb, push it down, install it into place, and before I install it back, I'm going to test it. And it works perfect. So now that we know that the bulb is working, I'm going to reinstall this back into place. So it's only going to go in one way, which is like this. We're going to put it in and then twist it clockwise. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to change the headlight bulb on your ML. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing to the channel. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.